What's up, guys? It's Mark.
And Haley.
Back with the Mercado channel, guys. I'm so excited because today
we got a big collection.
Our biggest
one, I think.
It actually might be our biggest collection, guys. We got 17 boxes here. I'm gonna do a box. She's gonna do a box. I'm gonna do a box. We're gonna switch back and forth. We're gonna count up all these boxes. Count up the money. It's gonna be crazy. I'm hoping for at least $250. I hope it's around there. But enough talking, guys. Let's jump into box number one.
All right, so this is a pizza place, and it is the absolute, well, not the absolute worst, because we actually collected 18, but one sold nothing. So that was the absolute worst. But this one sold one pop, which it should have 50 cents in here.
One pop. That is outrageous. I can't believe it.
This is our actually worst location that we've ever had.
I hear 50 cents in here. Ooh, yeah. I'm going to throw these on the ground. I'll sweep after. Look at that. Exactly 50 cents, guys. Now we're going to jump into box number two, and Haley's going to show you guys that one. All right, guys. Box number two sold $2 in pops. We're going to pop it open. She's going to let you know how much is actually in here. I think it looks like more than $2, actually. So that'd be pretty nice if we get a little more than what it's supposed to be. Oh, right on the money. $2 exact.
At least we're doing good so far with exact.
We're giving you guys our slow boxes first, and then we're going to pick up, and you guys are going to see the very good, high-performing locations. Don't go anywhere, guys. Stay tuned for all the good collections, all the good boxes that are coming up. Third box, guys, right here.
This one should have $3. This is a tanning salon.
$3. Hopefully there's at least $3 in here.
Another doo-doo.
Another very slow location, which, you know, money is money. Not going to complain. Ooh. I'm going to count this up. 1, 25, 35, 45, 50, 60, 75, 76. $1.76. That is absolutely terrible. Another pizza restaurant. This one should have about $3.50 for you. So far, these slow ones. I can't wait till we get to heavy ones. $3.50. Another Hannah box. There it is. Anything stuck in the box?
No.
We got 1, 2, 25, 50, 65. $2.65.
This one should have $8. This is a hair salon.
Hair salon, guys. Let's do it. This one looks a little better. How much is supposed to be in here? Wow, I hear a lot of change.
$8.
$8? This has lots of change. Oh my God. Look at all those pennies. Oh my God, it's all stuck. I'm actually dropping change everywhere, guys. Sorry about that. But we're going to count this up and let you know how much this salon made. All right, guys. Hair Studio did $7.02. Now Haley's going to give you the next box. All right, guys. There's the next one. Another pizza shop. We love the pizza places. There should be about $9 in here. Let's see if we hit the highest box of the day so far. $9. Is there $9? Could be. Could be. Let's show them that money. Pour it out. And then count it up. Don't go anywhere. $10.01 for the pizza shop here. So it did exceed $1, I believe.
Yep.
And now I'm going to tell you guys the next box.
So this one is a tanning salon. It should have $9.50.
Woo, let's see. The question is, did it make the $9.50? Probably not. Wow, breast cancer month and the theft is picking up. A lot of people are not honorable. 2. $7.51. A little bit of theft there. Now Haley's going to give you the next box. Next box right there should have about $8.50 in it. Haley's gonna pop it open.
And
Woo! And we got a little miniature Milky Way.
For some reason,
I don't want it.
For some reason, this place, they like provide their own chocolate, but put it on our display.
Ooh, definitely more than $8.50, guys. Oh yeah. Let's start counting this bad boy up. We got $11 in bills, $3.25 in coins for a grand total of $14.25. Our highest one so far. Now, Haley's gonna give you the next one. Mexican restaurant should have $11.50 in it. I believe we'll get the $11.50. This restaurant is doing very, very good, consistent numbers. The people are pretty nice. The money's usually accurate. That's what it's looking like. Pour it out. We love to see the money drop. And we're gonna count it up, guys. $6 in bills so far. $9.09. Wow, that's a little weird. It's supposed to be $11.50. It was $9.09. Small amount of theft. But now I'm gonna give you guys the next two boxes.
So this one's a bar.
Woo.
It should have $12 in it.
The question is, does it have $12? Do you think it has $12?
I don't know.
I don't know. This location, this one, remember, this is one of our strong ones and it slipped. There's a dollar stuck. Is it me or like, there's a lot of change in this collection?
Yeah.
Let's count it up, guys. $8 in bills so far, not bad. So we collected $10.13, not bad. Small amount of theft as well from this one. But now let's give you another box. We are not done yet, guys, so stay in your seats, grab some popcorn, and let's count up every single one of these boxes at the end. Don't go anywhere.
So this is a restaurant. It should have $16 in it.
We're starting to get to the good boxes, guys. I hope you're ready. These are the good locations. You said 16? Whoa, I got money slipping out. Wow, that looks nice. That looks real nice. Now let's count it up, fellas, and women, and children, and grandmas, and grandpas. We got $15, guys, just in bills. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $19.28. I am extremely excited about this location. It over exceeded. Now let's jump into another crazy monster location. A pizza shop. We love this location. I love this location. It's about 5 minutes from our house. It does extremely well.
It's heavy.
It's heavy, meaning there's a lot of change, or it's just loaded with money. And yes, it does look loaded with bills. Let's count it up, guys. We have $14, guys, so far, just in bills. $15, $16, $17, $18 so far. $18.18. It over exceeded. Great job. Good location. Now let's jump into the next box.
Okay, this is a pizza restaurant / bar.
Pizza restaurant / bar. How much are we supposed to get?
18.
Ooh, 18? Another $18 location? Not the greatest. But let's count it up and see what we ended up with. $15 just in bills. 16, 17, 55. $17.55, not bad.
50 cents in theft.
Not bad for theft either. Now Haley's gonna give you the rest of the boxes, guys. Pizza shop, 2 minutes from our house. We could probably walk and collect from it. It's supposed to have $17.50. I'm not sure if there will be $17.50. Haley says it's heavy, meaning there should be some good money in there.
Well, it felt heavy.
Yeah, that's a good amount of change. Got some bills. Ooh, yeah. Now let's count it up. 11 just in bills, guys. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
9.
1809. We over exceeded. That is awesome. No theft. $18.09. Now let's jump into the rest of the boxes. This is and was a Sports Clips location. Yes, the corporate Sports Clips. They told us to take the box out. It is what it is. The theft
there for a couple months.
and the theft was kind of
Yeah, I think there's theft now, but we'll see.
should be $21. The box is empty, but we'll see if there's actually 21. $16.50. So there was $4.50 in theft. Next one. Another one of my favorite locations. Honestly, I have a lot of favorite locations because we have a lot of great locations, guys. This one here is a pizza shop. It's about 20-minute drive, but it's worth the 20 minutes. And we got a card inside of the box. It's painting and remodeling company. Cool. But anyways, that's what it's looking like. Let's pour it out and count it up. $18, meaning we got $3 in theft. Boo. This one usually does really good without the theft. There's all the bills so far. This is a good collection so far, honestly.
There's a lot of change here.
Lots of change. Last and final box. Empty. Should be 21.
We'll see.
But the last two boxes that were empty didn't have 21. So let's see. More bills than the last one.
This one got a 5.
Woo! See a $5 bill in there. Where is it? Where are you? Right
What's this?
Where are you?
here. $5.
Look at somebody's a jerk.
A receipt?
They probably paid with a receipt.
Someone paid with a receipt. $4.38.
We got a business card and we got a receipt.
All right, let's count it up.
Yeah.
$20 just in bills with a 5. Woo! 1, 2, 3. $22.03 for the last one. We're gonna total up, guys. It was a good collection. It was a pretty decent collection. The first amount of boxes we did were very slow, but then it picked up. As you guys seen, we hit some good locations. But let's total up all these bills and coins and let you know what the grand total for today was. All right, guys, we got all the bills, all the coins laid out right here on the tables. We got a lot of coins this collection, like a lot, guys.
Yeah.
Haley's gonna give you the grand total, guys, for all 17 boxes. And yeah, let them know how much we made.
So the grand total is $194.55. Guys, we were $5.50 off from hitting 200.
So close, guys. And honestly, $200 days are awesome. $194
This
days
is
are
our best
awesome.
collection yet.
This was like a very good collection. A very good collection.
What
So
did it average to per box?
$11.40 a box. Make sure you guys smash that like button. If you're still watching, comment hashtag Mercado Nation. Let us know where our real ones are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next one, this is the Mercado channel. Keep hustling, guys. Get that money. Stay safe. We'll see you in our next video. Peace out.